here with our senior culinary stylist, Jackie Rahong, a.k.a. Sparkles. Before the break, you saw her fun-filled food tour of New York City, which left all of our stomachs rumbling. All right, Jackie, America wanted to learn how to make a version of the ooey gooey cheese boats. So why don't you take us through that?
Yes, okay, so welcome to my cooking school.
All right.
Okay, so you start out with dough. It's very similar to pizza dough, and it just has a little milk in it, which is nice. It adds a nice tenderness. So you roll it into about an oval, and we have low moisture cheese and some feta.
Okay.
Mix that up a little bit, guys. Get in there.
Right.
So what I loved about this is that I thought it was as simple as just taking dough and stuffing it with cheese, but actually there's a whole technique that I learned, and that's what I'm going to show you.
All right.
So you fill it. A lot of
Okay,
cheese, yeah. I mean, this is just half of the cheese, so get ready. Okay,
okay.
so you kind of fold it like it's a pierogi.
Oh, I got that down.
In half, pinch the edges.
All right.
All right.
Then you flip it seam side down.
Hold on. Oh, you're going so fast, Jackie.
Wow. I mean, this is how I learned, and it was boom, boom, boom. And I don't know how I did it.
Seam down.
Seam down. Now press it.
Press it.
You know, you're making a little boat. Yep.
Oh, yeah, it looks like a boat.
Looks like a boat. Okay, and pinch the edges a little bit. Pinch the ends. Now you're going to take your knife, and you're going to make, like, don't go all the way through, or else it's just, we have to start over. Yep.
But you want to go through the dough on the top.
Go through the dough. Yep, dough on the top. Perfect. And now here's the best part, I think, because I love a stuffed crust. So you take this little flap right here, and you roll the cheese under the crust.
Oh.
So you take this end and roll under. Yep. Guys, that was distracting for them. So
yeah, they were
too
so excited about the rolling of the that old. Okay.
And now you pinch the ends.
Oh, you're already on the other side? Okay.
Look at that. I mean.
All right, hold on. Sorry, I like to take my time and do things right. Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Now.
Sides. Oh
my gosh, so all that cheese essentially went in the crust.
Yes, exactly. Rest of the cheese. No wonder this is trending. So it was really cool to see all these trending things because it's all this.
What?
Right. What is this?
Oh, that's parm. Yep, you put the parm right on top.
Okay. Oh. Right.
You just need one more element of cheese.
Because there's really not enough.
There's not enough.
Release the cheese!
You throw these onto a sheet tray,
Yeah.
and you bake them at 450 for 15 minutes. Okay.
450 for 15 minutes.
So,
let's
wait.
move down here.
Let's move down here. We're gonna take them out. Now, when they come out, no, throw me one of these.
Oh yeah.
Because they're just a little.
Feeling pretty good about this.
Oh my
Look at
gosh.
this beautiful.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Are you kidding?
Okay. So when they come out, they're piping hot. Thank you. So this is traditional to do this. You pretty much add an egg yolk as if it's not decadent enough, which just
Oh, let's just do it right
crazier.
now.
Yeah,
Let's just do it on there. Let's do it right now. So just an egg yolk.
Yep.
Right.
And you stir it in, and the hotness of the cheese and everything cooks it. And then, wait, there's more.
Oh.
Unsalted butter, because everything's salty with the cheese. So you take like about a tablespoon or half a stick, whatever you're feeling that day. Yep. And you let it.
You add butter to the cheese and egg yolk.
You eat this after you go to the gym. Okay?
Yeah, the egg yolk thing's cool. It's almost like you're making a carbonara.
A little bit, yes. Yep. So you pretty much stir this all together, and then you get that Instagrammable
Cheat day, cheat day, cheat day.
Stop.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Wow.
But take some of this. Don't break your boat, though. Don't break your boat.
Go to the end.
Get,
Oh, you take the-
look,
oh, you
look.
dip
Look. Oh my gosh.
That's how you do it. You dip the edges in there.
You dip the edges.
Oh, audience, you're so jealous right now. I'm sorry.
Oh my God, so good, right?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh.
Wow.
And how good is that dough, right?
The dough is so good.
Jackie, you knocked this one out of the park, girl.
Thank you.
Out of the park.
The thing
Thank you for bringing that into our lives
You're welcome.
forever and ever. That's good.